You might have caught yourself whispering this in the mirror a few times, but there are two things that you must remember. First of all, you're not alone, and secondly, you're not behind. Life का जो ये phase होता है, post-final exams, pre-job, it might seem like somebody's pressed pause, but the reality is this is no pause. This is just your launching pad. Today we're gonna figure out where you want to go. हमारी generation की सबसे बड़ी anxiety क्या है? Comparison. कि उसने तो LinkedIn पे apply करना शुरू कर दिया है, the other person's gotten a job, the other one's doing an internship. मैं तो बस घर पे हूँ. Sounds familiar, right? But here's the truth. Your career is not a race, it's a jigsaw puzzle. और सबके pieces अलग अलग हैं. Even if you're trying to figure out to become a doctor, or you are a business owner, or you're a freelancer, it doesn't matter. Even if you're unemployed, you're still figuring out what to do. All of these are valid places to be. What matters the most is that you're moving, even if you're moving slowly. One thing that you need to understand is that you don't need to start with clarity. You need to start with curiosity. Clarity आसमान से नहीं गिरती. Once you're curious, you'll figure it out on the way. While you're moving on this journey, there are 3 questions that can help you figure out what you're actually curious about. First, what interests you in university? Second, what are the problems that excite you? And third, what is the YouTube rabbit hole that interests you? Now, this third question might seem a little weird, but the thing is, your interests will help you understand more what you're curious about in life. And third, what is the YouTube rabbit hole that interests you? Because this will help you understand more about what your generic interests are. After you figure out your answers to these 3 questions, the next step is to find people who are practicing these interests. You should look into what their careers look like and then figure out how you can apply that on your own life. सोचो ज़रा, अगर दूसरों की स्टोरी सुनकर आप इतना इंस्पायर हो सकते हो, so why can't you write your own story? So now is the time for your first big step. We've made a small worksheet for you, nothing too fancy. Download it and take 10 minutes to fill it in. इस worksheet में 4 sections in that you need to focus on. First, you need to identify 3 interests that you would like doing, even if it's unpaid. Then, find 3 people whose jobs you admire. The next step is to think about 2 topics you can talk about for hours. And the last step is to identify 1 cause or interest that you really care deeply about. After you finish these 4 sections, now pause the video and understand your answers. This will help you understand what your interests are, what your life goals are, and try to understand what your own story is. जब आप ये कर लेंगे, only then will you understand the next step. Once you've filled in the worksheet, you've looked at your answers, take your interests and divide them like this. Try now or explore later. In the try now section, jot down interests that only require your own self. For example, volunteer work, internships, freelance work. And in the explore later section, jot down interests that require mentorship or research. What you need to understand is that tiny steps matter. जो सबसे बड़ा झूठ आपसे बोला जाता है is that you need it all figured out all at once. But that's not true. You just need to take the next tiny step. That's it. These tiny steps can be anything. It can even be you just taking part in volunteer work, applying for a small internship, DMing somebody on LinkedIn, or even just reading 2 blogs about something you're interested in. All you need to understand is that this is not a race, it's a journey. And you're exactly on time.